Morning everybody, Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. 40, almost 43 degrees outside, 72 and a half indoors with windows wide open all night long. The wood stove was damped down and the windows were wide open. That's a really efficient wood stove for this tiny house. So temperature's supposed to drop today, so we'll end up shutting the windows and burning some more wood. Just ignore me and play with your toy. I wanted to show people that you're playing. Huh? Oh, you happy? She is playing with her own toys now, and that's a good thing. Oh, Melanie's proud. She's wearing her tennis shoes. Well, she kicked one off. She's wearing her own tennis shoes now, too. Well, she doesn't kick them off. I want to thank everybody for coming over to my video site. I've got 147 videos up. I've had over 3,600 total views in 24-hour period. Thank you all for being there. Got 56 people joined up. So thank you guys for making it an awesome opening day. If you haven't checked it out, go down in the video comments and I'll put the link to this site, and that's where my electronics channel is going to be from now on. And I'm going to copy everything else over there as well. And if you have a small channel, please come on over and share your work. Well, it turned out to be a beautiful sunny day again. 38 degrees, so it's not as warm. And it's very windy, so it's not at all as warm. I keep forgetting, I want to show you the solar panels. They're getting some good sunlight in the day. And I keep forgetting to catch it in the right hour. I always catch it after it's too late. But they're getting some sunlight, so that's good. I'm going to fasten this on here now properly. I'm going to use the screw holes that exist. Let me see. I'll drill holes where I need it, and I've got some existing holes I can use. Keep that in place. That'll keep that. That'll hold this in place and keep the weather out. And I'll drill some holes here and here. This is something I've been wanting to finish anyway. Perfect day for this today. To use the stool to get up here. Hope that holds me. Hope that'll hold me. This is a far cry from the minus 14 degrees we had. Minus 25 degrees it was. keep the weather out. Then I finished putting the pipe together. Hello in there. Sounds funny. And then I'll insulate this most likely. For next winter. That's it. One project done. These panels are pulling in the power today. Really good. The batteries are topped off, I'm sure, because I haven't been using a whole lot today. Days like this we can charge our devices outdoors with folding solar panels.